how to use Manychat on Instagram. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on our browser and then search for manychat.com. And once you're now here, you will be redirected into this website wherein of course you will need to sign up or sign in. So what we're going to do right here is to click get started. And once you click get started, just choose the Instagram right here. So let's click that. And then you can either continue with Google or with Facebook. So I'm going to continue with my Google. So I'm going to choose this one and this one right here. And once you are now here, as you can see, I have now connected my Instagram account right here. So if you want to connect it, all you have to do is once you sign up right there, they will ask you to connect your Instagram. So all you have to do is to do that. And then that should be it. And then after that, you will be redirected into this part. Now, what we're going to do, let's say, for example, that you have already connected your Instagram account. Just choose your Instagram account right here. So click on that account right there. And then you will be redirected right here. Now, on the left screen, you will see the home, contacts, automation, live chat, and settings. Now, as you can see here on this part, you will see that you will now be able to auto DM links from comments, generate leads with stories, and automate conversations with AI. Now, let's say, for example, that we want to auto DM links from comments. So all you have to do is to click that one right there. And then as you can see right here, when someone comments on a specific post or reel, any post or reel or next post or reel, so you can choose whichever you like right here, but I will just leave it as it is. And then once you're now done with this, all you have to do is to click next. And then for the comment, let's say, for example, that they comment the word hello, like that. And then once they type hello right there on the comment section, and then if we click next right here, they will get a DM. So the bot will automatically DM them once they type this hello word right here. So let's say, for example, that we want to also DM hello also right there. Let's just say, for example, that this is the DM that you want to send. However, you can change it into something like a link or something, a shop that redirect them into your shop. So it's up to you. So I'm just going to show you how it works. And then in this part, if we go here on the bottom, you will see that a DM with the link. So this is where you're going to put, of course, the link, which is right here. You will also see other things to automate, which is reply under the post, so people feel seen and special. So if you want to turn that on, you can also do that. Or you can just put, let's say, for example, DM sent right there. Or if you want to change it into whatever you want, it's up to you. Then we have here also other things, but it requires the pro version. So if you want to use it, of course, you will need to upgrade it, but I will just leave it as it is. Now, once you're done right here, all you have to do is to click go live, and that should be it. So you can see we now have created an automation. So if someone on your post comment the word hello, they will receive a message from our bot, and they will send the word hello also. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to use Manychat on Instagram.